Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Hi guys. All right, so we're going to continue with our solstice readings, and we're going to start off again with Leo. That's where we had stopped off. So let's go for it. Leo, your solstice cards are abundance. This one seemed to pop out sideways, and we have focus. So that's quite a clear message here. And the last one, so soulmate. Beautiful cards. And Leo is usually the sign of luxury, of abundance. So it's really wonderful to get these cards, especially right off the bat, having the abundance card and then focus. And I think we looked at this before, and we remember that in this picture, the person is focusing elsewhere while holding the roses. And the last one is soulmate card, soulmate energy. So beautiful cards again, right off the bat: abundance, focus, and soulmate energy. And for the second half of the year, that's really exuding actually luxurious energy. Like I said, the word that came to mind as soon as I opened the spread was luxury and a sense of enchantment, and but also as we have in abundance. So, Leo, you have a great 6 months in store in terms of having and being abundant, but again, abundance in time, money, wealth, and energy, not only wealth. Because sometimes, as we mentioned before in other readings, abundance is seen as only wealth, and usually we're working for something, which is time and energy. But those things can be gotten right off the bat without having to work for it. If a friend gives you something, if you get a special uh, delivery or more than you expected, those are all different forms of abundance. If somebody offers to take care of some service you need provided or help you out around the house, those are all different types of abundance. It eases your energy, your time, your resources, your money. But with Leo, I really sense that it is a lot of opulence, a lot of elegance and luxury, and it matches Leo perfectly actually. And the focus card is focusing on your crown, on your work, on your day job actually, and getting that will help you achieve the abundance. I'm not seeing so much like a huge deal of a side hustle, but a small side hustle in terms of something that brings you joy, not even necessarily a hustle, would add to your abundant energy because of the joy and just the feeling it will bring you in doing what makes you happy. And the last card, the soulmate energy card, I mean, what a beautiful card, the blue and the green used. It just shows a lot of love energy towards the latter 2 months, so towards the end of the year. And it's kind of a concurrent energy with this one I'm feeling. So you have lots of great stuff in store for you for the next 6 months, Leo. And I think the first 6 months have been a bit blah for you. A little bit of work, but also a little bit of blah. Like you've been working, you've been maybe having some friendships, but nothing materializing into anything major. Even your hobbies and side gigs, side hustles haven't been so lucrative. But that's about to change. Those will be taking momentum, launching off the 6 months, but it begins with you. So remember to put in the focus, yeah, the focus, and make it happen. Put in the energy towards that which you wish to create. And roses again, a sign of opulence and luxury. So let that be your guide. Follow the and follow the energy towards those things that remind you of opulence, of luxury, because I think that'll be your guiding light. So Leo, I hope that helps you. I hope that helps set the tone for your 6 months as well. Do enjoy it. It's going to be magical. Solstice energy. Let us know in the comments down below what your dream is that you wish to create, your luxurious one, and we'll see you soon. Have a great solstice, Leo. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and it's today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean. And there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go. Just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.